Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do reading for Gemini for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what the cards have for Gemini. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for February month, the key challenges and obstacles, actions or advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the Oracle deck. So please do stay till the end. Don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading. And let's start. What do we have for Gemini for February? Overall energy for Gemini, please. What's the overall energy we have for Gemini for February? What's the overall energy we have for Gemini? What's the overall energy we have for Gemini for February? Okay. Alright. Let's see what are the key challenges we have for Gemini. Key challenges and obstacles for Gemini in February. Key challenges and obstacles. Wow. Are you dealing with so much? Key challenges and obstacles for Gemini for February. Okay. Alright. Oops. Just a second. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. Okay. Wow, what is happening? So much, huh? You're dealing with so much. You are being too much energetic. Please clarify Ace of Swords for Gemini. Please clarify Ace of Swords for Gemini. Wow. Okay, let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have. Please clarify Queen of Swords. Please clarify Queen of Swords. Please clarify Queen of Swords. Please clarify Queen of Swords as the strength and opportunities for Gemini. Please clarify Queen of Swords as the strength and opportunities for Gemini. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's see what are the probable outcome we have for Gemini. Probable outcome from Gemini. What's the probable outcome? Okay. Please clarify Page of Swords. Swords energy. Too much air energy basically. Please clarify Page of Swords. Okay. Okay. Got it. So the bottom of the deck we have the Devil card. Okay. So you might be Gemini. These are the subconscious energies or energies you have been dealing lately. Okay, and you may not be actually talking about it, but you are feeling it subconsciously or deep down. Okay, so here I see the energy basically is you might be feeling stuck or that कि मैं सिचुएशन में फंस गया हूँ, मैं सिचुएशन में फंस गई हूँ, आई एम नॉट इवन इफ आई वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस स्टक एनर्जी आई कांट. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है दैट आई एम बीइंग टू मच इन कंट्रोल, आई एम बीइंग being maybe micromanaged. Okay, and even if I want to come, it can be a workplace, it can be a relationship, it can be anything basically in your life. It can be some kind of habit which you want to leave or you want to overcome, but you're like, no, I can't. I am I have tried my best, but I can't overcome it, I can't leave it. Okay, उस तरह की energy है, but it is all in your mind. Okay, if you really want to come out of the situation, if you really want to end something, and if you really want to set yourself free from something, you are always free to do it. It's all that your mind is playing tricks so that you can be in that situation, because subconsciously you are feeling comfortable and familiar in that place. Okay, so that is what is happening here. All right, now the overall energy for you Gemini in Feb I see is you are being confident. People are looking at you as someone who is who is nurturing, who is confident, who is independent. It doesn't matter male, female. I'm not talking about any gender specific. I'm just talking about the energies you might be having in the month of February. Okay, so it can be for anyone. You are nurturing, you are loving, you are independent, you are focused, you are determined, and you are confident, having that leadership quality. You also may be given a role where you have to take a lead, or some kind of authority you might be given, maybe to lead a project, maybe to lead a team, or maybe something new which you are being given to take care of. Okay, so people are looking towards you, and with someone who will lead a particular situation, and you are taking up that responsibility with with so much of positivity. I would say ki you are not running away from that responsibility or from that challenge. You are taking it up in a more charismatic way. Okay, is what I see, which is a very good energy. And you have the support. Okay, you will get the support from the universe, you will get the support. You will आपको जहाँ पे भी जरूरत पड़ेगी आपको वो हेल्प और सपोर्ट आ जाएगा. Okay, from the universe. Okay, in it can be in any different ways. It can be sudden support, sudden help, a sudden recognition, a sudden guidance, something. But you are supported, and you will overcome this challenge with so much of clarity, confidence, and leadership authority. Now, the challenge here for you, Gemini, I see is you might be feeling insecure that आपको आगे बढ़ना है. You are confident, you are determined, but कहीं ना कहीं वो deep down आपको insecurity लगेगी कि यार ये कैसे होगा, मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं है, मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, सिचुएशन को मैं कैसे हैंडल करूंगी. ओके, सो यू नीड टू रिलीज दैट फियर. ओके, जो भी है, जो भी आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक रहा है, योर maybe it is your habit, it is your insecurity, it is your fear, it can be financial insecurity for some of you. Okay, तो जो भी आपकी insecurity है, जो भी आपके doubts हैं, जो भी आपके fears हैं, आपको उसको जाने देना है. because जब आप इस चीज से फ्री होगे तभी आप इस एनर्जी में आ पाओगे, to be confident, to be determined, and to be moving ahead with फोकस. ओके, तो आपको जो भी एक्शन लेना है, जो भी आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेना है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट. ओके, आप डिलेमा में रह के आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हो. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है, मुझे किस रूट से जाना है, तो आप भटकते रहोगे. राइट, एंड दिस इज नॉट द टाइम फॉर यू टू टेक डिफरेंट रूट्स. राइट, यू हैव टू बी फोकस्ड, यू हैव टू बी डिटरमिन्ड कि मेरा गोल ये है. एंड दिस इज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग to get fit, right, physically fit, तो आपको प्रॉपर स्केड्यूल लाना पड़ेगा. यू विल हैव टू गेट अप एट अ फिक्स टाइम, यू हैव टू स्लीप in a proper time, in a fixed time. You have to take care of your health, you need to take care of your diet, you need to stop having processed food and oily food. So you have to have a proper plan. आप सोचो कि मैं एक्सरसाइज भी करता रहूँ और मैं अनहेल्दी भी खाता रहूँ एंड आई विल गेट ऑल द सिक्स पैक ऐप मेरा हो जाएगा, तो इट डजंट वर्क दैट वे. राइट, सो यू हैव टू हैव अ प्रॉपर प्लान. Okay, कि this is what is my goal and this is how I am going to move towards it, and these are the challenges which I can foresee. And अगर ऐसा कोई challenge आता है तो how I have to be how I have to overcome those challenges. कुछ unexpected आता है तो I need to have a plan B. Right, so you need to have a proper plan. Okay, जो भी आपके fears है, insecurities है, आपको उसको हटाना पड़ेगा, so that you can move ahead with confidence and determination. Okay, now the strength and action or advice here is to be have a proper plan. Again, this is no coincidence. Okay, आपको different ideas आएंगे, strategies आएगी. As I said, you will get the support from the universe. आप कुछ और काम कर रहे हो, suddenly कोई idea आ गया कि I can make it in a I can add this thing for my plan. Okay, मुझे अपने goal के लिए ये चीज add कर लेना चाहिए. So you will have different ideas and you need to grab it. Okay, तो जो भी आपको ideas आ रहे हैं, जो भी आप strategy बना रहे हो, you need to use it for your own good, so that you can move on toward, you can move with clarity towards your goal. Okay, so जो भी जो भी आपके distractions हैं, जो भी आपको emotionally settle होने नहीं दे रहा है, you need to leave that behind and move towards your goal. It can be for some of you mental peace. You are in a situation or you are in a connection जहाँ पे आपको शांति नहीं है. Right, emotionally आप बहुत disturbed feel करते हो, imbalance feel करते हो. So you are leaving that thing behind which is not giving you that peace. It's like moving towards a calmer water. Right, so and it's not something your impulsive decision नहीं है. It is a very thoughtful decision. Okay, बहुत सोच समझ के आपने ये डिसीजन लिया है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आल्सो यू आर सपोज टू डू, ओके, फॉर योर ओन पीस, फॉर योर ओन well-being, for your to achieve your goal. You need to use you need to think properly and act on it, okay. Act on your ideas, act on your different plans you have been working on, and it will help you to leave something which is not helping you. It can be cutting off some connections from your life, it can be leaving certain things behind, or maybe it can be leaving an old routine, a old habit, or as I said, feeling stuck. आप इस चीज से बाहर आ रहे हो, okay, कि अब बहुत हो गया, now I'm coming out of this stuck energy, okay. And that is a very thoughtful action, thoughtful move basically is happening for you, and you're supposed to do that. That is also the advice we have for you. Now the strength and opportunity is, जो भी जो भी आपको बहुत difficult है ना डील करने में, you will overcome it, okay. It's like जो भी confusions थे वो दूर हो गए हैं, you are seeing through things, okay. आप बहुत clear हो, आप बहुत focused हो, और बहुत clear in your communication and what is that you want to work towards, or what is that you want in your life, okay. You are being very clear, and it's like I also see that you are protecting your heart फ्रॉम बीइंग हर्ट, ओके. हो सकता है आपने किसी ऐसी एनर्जी या ऐसे सिचुएशन से आप डील कर रहे हो, या आपने डील किया है जहाँ पे you have gone through some kind of emotional pain, betrayal, and now you are very protective, okay. You have kept your guards up and nobody can hurt you. For some of you, I also see it can be being very blunt and straightforward and rude in your communication, so that people don't take advantage of your kindness and hurt you, okay. That is also I am getting here for you, some of you, okay. So it's not wrong अगर आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हो, कोई गलत नहीं है इसमें, बट कीप दैट इन माइंड कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने कि उसमें आप दूसरों को हर्ट नहीं करो, राइट. जस्ट कीप दैट थिंग ऑल्सो इन माइंड कि if I am hurt, I am not supposed to hurt the other person, right. Instead, I should be like, I have gone through this pain and I am not supposed to give that pain to anybody else, right, because I know how it feels, तो उस तरह की आपको वो चीज़ अपने माइंड में रखना है. Be kind to others, but don't let others take advantage of your kindness, okay. So just have clear boundary, okay. You need to set clear boundary, and you need to be clear in your communication, but at the same time try to be polite when you are communicating, okay. जो भी confusions है, as I was saying, जो भी confusions है आप उसको overcome कर लोगे, and now you are seeing clearly, and you know what is that you are going to entertain in your life and what is that you are not going to, right. So that is what I am seeing is the strength for you, and which is a very good thing. There's nothing wrong when you're protecting yourself and being very clear, okay. Because the genuine connections and genuine people will respect your boundaries and they will not cross it, right. And those who are not respecting your boundaries, you definitely need to set boundaries with them, right. So keep that in mind, okay. Because I see there is a lot of things happening on communication and on ideas, on being very clear on what you want on and what you will not accept, okay. So that is what the energy is. February is basically for you, Gemini, I see is being clear on what is that you will accept and what is that you will not, being very clear in setting the boundaries, okay, which is a good thing, okay. Now the outcome here for you is आपको impulsive कोई decision नहीं लेना है. As I was saying, आप clear रहो अपने communication में, but at the same time आप don't be blunt and don't be harsh on other people, okay. Just try to create a balance, and जो भी आप डिसीजन ले रहे हो बहुत सोच समझ के लेना है, इम्पल्सिव नहीं लेना है, बहुत फोकस और डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ रहना है, बहुत फोकस्ड होके लेना है, ठीक है. आई ऑल्सो सी दैट देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ जस्टिस यू माइट बी वेटिंग फॉर, इट कैन बी फॉर वेरी few and specific of you कि if there is a legal matter and you have been waiting for some kind of justice to be served, so then there are very good chances that things will close in the month of February and you will get the justice. It's like a fair treatment being given, उस तरह की energy है. And whatever situation you are dealing with, or you are being given the responsibility to deal a situation, आप उसको बहुत fairly आप उसको deal कर पाओगे, is what also I am getting here for you. So the February month here is being clear on your communication, setting clear boundaries, being protective for your own self, and at the same time being polite with others, like being kind but not letting others take advantage of your kindness. Okay, so उस तरह की energy है, which is a very good energy for you, Gemini. Okay, so just try to focus on your communication, grab your ideas, act on it, move with determination, and जो भी insecurity, self doubt, fears है, आपको उसको जाने देना है, so that you can work towards your goal or move towards your goal with determination, right? See, again, the guiding message here is hunter. Track down your fear and desire. So it's no coincidence that this is again confirmed by the hunter card कि जो भी आपके self doubts है, fears है, insecurity है, उन सबको आपको, you know, you don't have to let them overpower you, right? Just fight your fears and focus towards your goal and move towards your destination with determination and focus. You will overcome the challenges coming your way. Okay, so please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.